Photos of Justin Bieber completely nude hit the internet today. I'm Jennifer Sanassi. It's the 8th of October, and you're watching News 24 Live. Well, it's no secret that Justin Bieber likes to walk around with his shirt off, but now he's lost his pants and underwear too. The internet went crazy this morning as photos of a completely naked Justin Bieber made the rounds. The singer was photographed by paparazzi while walking naked on the deck of his vacation bungalow in Bora Bora. The one thing it seems like people are taking away from these photos, the size of Bieber's equipment. There are several memes circulating at the moment. People on Twitter have been expressing their thoughts on the photos. Pasta Boy said, "Well, I didn't expect to see Justin Bieber's penis today." And Matt Belasai said, "I don't know why, but I feel like I've seen Justin Bieber's penis like 100 times before today." And this person simply said, "I love you, Justin Bieber's penis." Let's all remember that Justin didn't pose for these photos, and he most likely didn't even know they were being taken. You'll remember this same situation happened to the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, in 2012 while she was on vacation with Prince William in France. The photos were published in Closer magazine, and the whole situation ended up being called an invasion of privacy. People felt sorry for Kate. It doesn't seem like people feel sorry for Justin, though. It's more of a farce, and if anything, people are impressed by the size of his penis. How would you feel if your privacy was invaded like this? We'll let you ponder that thought. For all of your latest breaking entertainment news, head on over to our sister website, channel24.co.za.